Imagine an AI that can code better than 80% of humans, remember massive projects without breaking a sweat, and run endless chats without missing a beat. That's exactly what Anthropic's new Opus 4.5 promises. Hey everyone, before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe and comment because you don't want to miss these AI breakthroughs. Opus 4.5 is the latest and final model in Anthropic's 4.5 series, following Sonnet and Haiku. It sets a new benchmark in coding, tool use, and problem solving, hitting over 80% on SWE Bench Verified, a milestone no previous model has reached. But Opus 4.5 isn't just about raw smarts. It now comes with major memory improvements, meaning it can handle long context tasks better than ever. That powers new features like endless chat for paid Claude users, where conversations continue seamlessly as the AI compresses memory without interruptions. Anthropic also unveiled broader releases of Claude for Chrome and Claude for Excel. The Chrome extension is available for all Max users, while Excel integration reaches Max, Team, and Enterprise plans, boosting productivity in ways professionals will notice immediately. These upgrades make Opus 4.5 ideal for agentic AI scenarios, where it leads Haiku-powered subagents to tackle complex projects efficiently. In short, memory and context improvements make this AI smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever. Opus 4.5 now faces fierce competition from GPT 5.1 and Google's Gemini 3. But with these new capabilities, Anthropic is staking its claim as a leader in next-gen AI. If you want to see how AI can truly transform your workflow, this is the model to watch. Don't forget to check out the related video in the corner for more insights, and hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve.